So I start my skin routine with Mielle Organics vitamins. They contain biotin in them. Biotin is great, amazing for your hair, skin, and nails. So I start with one of these and they taste great. My next step is using the pomegranate and honey facial cleanser as well as exfoliating scrub. So I love it because it's a 2-in-1. So it's gonna act as a cleanser, but it's also gonna help me exfoliate and scrub my skin as well. So it's gonna remove the makeup that I have on, as well as rid my pores of any oil, dirt, or impurities. I love the pomegranate and honey cleanser and scrub because not only does it do an amazing job of cleansing the skin, but it also smells amazing. So as you guys can see, this cleanser and scrub is getting all of the oil, dirt, and the little bit of makeup that I had on off of my skin. So it has my skin feeling and smelling great. So I love it. Next up is the Hydrating Facial Mask. So this facial mask is gonna give us a great glow after we apply it. So I want you guys to pay special close attention to the packaging of this product. So this is what the mask looks like. It is a charcoal color mask, but I love the packaging of it. So nobody really wants to dig in their mask to apply it and put it on their face. So they actually give you a scrub brush, which I have here, and you're actually able to scoop the mask straight from the jar. So packaging, everything, kudos to you guys because you thought of everything when it came to this. So phenomenal job. That's why I love it. So you take the little scoop brush and you can take it straight from the jar and apply it to the face. So I will show you guys how I apply mine and then where I go with it from there. So we got a little Indian tribe going. And then I also use a facial brush as well to apply my mask. So I use the scoop brush first and then a facial brush. So then I take my facial brush and I put the mask on like so. So So super excited about this step. This is the facial serum that we're gonna do. This one is great for after you've masked, and you see I already have glow starting. Now it's time to add some additional moisture and hydration with our facial serum. So let me tell you what I love about not just the serum itself, but even the packaging for it. So there's a pump at the top of this, and at first I couldn't figure out like what the pump was for because nothing was coming out. Well, guess what? You open it up like this, press the pump, and release it, and it takes the serum into the vial so that you can just then deposit it onto the skin like so. And then you just apply. And just that little bit is gonna take care of this entire right side of my face. And then I will do one more on the left side. Take it up and around that side. It's over your face. If you want, I like to pay special close attention to my nose area too, because my nose gets pretty dry. But the serum has great glide to it, provides an amazing glow, and it feels good. So this is still a part of the pomegranate and honey line. This is the facial serum, which comes after your mask. So one more step, and that's for us to do some sunscreen, and we are done with our skincare routine. So there's a myth that Black people don't need to use sunscreen. I'm here to myth bust that, okay? We need sunscreen just like everybody else. So this final step is one of the most important steps. So the SPF, necessary, always necessary. So this particular step, never forget it. Don't leave home without it. Even though we're at home during the quarantine, you have windows in your home. So do not skip this step just because you're in the house. You are exposed to UV rays, even in your home. So sunscreen is always a must. You don't need a lot of this product. This product, again, is a part of the pomegranate and honey collection. So it smells amazing. Smells phenomenal. So as you guys can see, my skin looks good, feels amazing. So thank you guys for tuning in. Just to recap everything I used on this face today, we started with the 2-in-1 facial cleanser and scrub. Then we moved on to the hydrating mask, which was great. Actually left my skin with a super glow. So this is the facial mask that we used, and we followed it up with our serum, our facial serum, which again smelled great. And then our last and final step, sunscreen. So get the line, it's phenomenal. Mielle Organics left my skin looking great. Get you some. Bye guys.